Everything I've lost because love will come to save us. So save us. Wake your soul with love in the morning. Feed your soul with love till the evening. Expand your soul with love on the weekend.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today's gonna be a little different. My alternator went bad. So instead of only changing the alternator, I'm gonna change the alternator, the battery, spark plugs. I'm just gonna get the car a full run around tune-up. You can flush the antifreeze, put new antifreeze, new gear fluid, new oil. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do everything today. So that's the old alternator. I'm trying to get this stupid little bolt out right here. I want to put it on the new ones right there. Just went to AutoZone and picked that up a few minutes ago. My fault, I'm sitting here trying to look through the camera just to make sure y'all guys can see it. Oh, there you go. Hold on. So, I don't know where I put that piece at, but we'll put that on the new alternator. Throw that right here. Hold on. Oh, it goes like this. Like, obviously, this comes off, this goes in here, and this is just to like slide it and adjust it back and forth for how tight you want it. It goes on the top side. There's gonna be two sides. One's long, one is short. It goes on the short side. The ground plug goes facing up, so you can put the ground back in. Basically, the long side of the alternator where it should hook up at is right, hold on, is right here. These two little slots. One bolt, it goes in through this side over here. It comes across and it comes in through here. And you bolt it up. And then this is the plug and this is the ground wire that goes up. So let me plug this in real quick and then I'll show you. The reason I told you not to tighten the one joint is so that way you see how the belt, it's like it could be loosed and tight, loosed and tight, loosed and tight. You want to put it as tight. You want to put it as tight as you can get it. all the way back. And get a crowbar, stick it down there, tighten it, then tighten everything else, and then plug everything back up. See the plugs. See that green plug is there, and then the ground wire. The ground wire is right there. You gotta make sure you got everything tight. And make sure you unplug the battery when you're doing that. Because if not, you'll be fucked. So I went and I got some laser iridium spark plugs, the NGK ones, obviously, right? And these are the old ones. Hold on. These are the old ones. You can see they all burnt out. And these are the new ones. So these are all the old ones. As you can see, they're all nasty looking. I'm already done. I changed the alternator. I changed the spark plugs. I'm getting ready to give it a flush. Change the antifreeze. Change the motor oil. Change the antifreeze. I think this is the gear fluid. Yeah, change the gear oil. I'm gonna change the motor oil. And I'm gonna change the antifreeze. Put a new oil filter. I wanted to give the car a whole tune up today. I don't know, like, since I thought it was the battery, it wasn't the battery. I went and bought a brand new battery, it wasn't the battery. I ended up having to replace the alternator. So when I went to buy the alternator, I said, fuck it, I might as well just do everything at one shot. That way, I mean, when it does get back up and running, I get everything together and everything should be back in place. I mean, get the car running perfect. No hesitation, no problems.